The evolutionary journey of the dog Canis familiaris is a profound testament to the intricate dance between natural selection, human intervention, and the remarkable adaptability of a species. From their wild origins as gray wolves to the incredible diversity of breeds we observe today, the story of dog evolution is not merely a biological phenomenon, but a deeply intertwined narrative with the history of humanity itself. This essay will explore the scientific understanding of canine origins, the proposed mechanisms of domestication, and the subsequent transformations that have shaped our loyal companions. From wolf to woof, the origins of Canis familiaris, the prevailing scientific consensus firmly establishes the gray wolf, Canis lupus, as the sole ancestor of all modern dogs. Genetic evidence, gleaned from mitochondrial DNA and nuclear DNA analyses, consistently points to a divergence event that occurred tens of thousands of years ago. While the precise timing and geographical location remain subjects of ongoing research and debate, estimates generally fall within a broad window of 15,000 to 40,000 years ago, predating the advent of settled agriculture. It's clear that the foundational shift from wild predator to domesticated companion began during the Stone Age, a period of nomadic hunter-gatherer societies. The mechanisms driving this initial domestication are theorized to have followed one of two primary pathways, or more likely, a synergistic combination of both. The self-domestication, or scavenger hypothesis, posits that certain wolf populations, characterized by reduced fear and aggression towards humans, began to exploit a new ecological niche, the refuse heaps of human encampments. These less fearful individuals would have gained a reliable food source, leading to a survival advantage and, over generations, a natural selection pressure for increased tolerance and a calmer disposition towards humans. Simultaneously, the human-led domestication, or pup adoption hypothesis, suggests a more active role for early humans. It proposes that hunter-gatherers may have adopted wolf pups, rearing them within their communities. Pups exhibiting more tameness and an inclination to bond would have been nurtured and, crucially, bred, gradually creating a lineage of increasingly domesticated animals. The domestication syndrome and breed diversification. Once the domestication process was underway, it initiated a cascade of profound changes, both behavioral and physical, often collectively referred to as domestication syndrome. Behaviorally, dogs developed a suite of traits beneficial to human interaction: increased docility, a heightened capacity for cooperation, and a remarkable ability to interpret human cues. Physically, the consequences of domestication are evident in a range of often striking morphological alterations. These include a reduction in brain and tooth size, reflecting a decreased reliance on predatory prowess. Perhaps most famously, domesticated animals often exhibit neotenous or juvenile traits into adulthood, such as floppy ears and curled tails, believed to be linked to changes in neural crest cell development during embryonic stages. The journey didn't end with initial domestication. As human societies diversified and their needs evolved, so too did the roles of their canine companions. Early working dogs were selectively bred for specific tasks vital to human survival: guarding settlements, assisting in the hunt, herding livestock, and controlling vermin. This initial functional diversification laid the groundwork for the explosion of distinct dog breeds that began to emerge with greater intensity in recent centuries. Intentional selective breeding by humans has since sculpted dogs into an astonishing array of forms, temperaments, and specialized abilities. In conclusion, the evolution of dogs from their wolf ancestors is a singular narrative in the annals of animal domestication. It is a story of gradual adaptation, mutual benefit, and an enduring partnership. The interplay of environmental pressures, natural selection favoring tolerant individuals, and deliberate human intervention has sculpted Canis familiaris into the diverse, adaptable, and deeply integrated species we know and cherish today.